Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll see how we can create a X ad campaign, which is specifically for getting more reach for brand awareness purposes. So let's go to the platform and here we can start creating a new campaign. So we'll switch and we'll change the objective to reach. So this is for brand awareness purposes. You can create this campaign. And then we start filling in all the details. So this is a reach campaign. And then you can choose the other options. So here we are not doing campaign budget optimization. So we can move forward. And this is where we can fill in all the other details. We can give the budget for the campaign and then the start date, end date of the campaign, delivery. So as you can see, the goal is going to be maximum reach. So that is what we want. We want to reach out to as many people as possible with our ads to do a lot of brand awareness regarding our company. The bidding strategy chosen by default is auto bid, which is an automated bidding strategy, which will try to generate as many reach as possible. Okay, so this is the best one to select when you're starting off. And also we can see here that we are pay by impressions. So we're going to pay for the impressions, the number of times the ad is being shown. Okay, so that is what we pay for. You can also set a frequency cap. So frequency cap is basically how many times the ad is being shown. Okay, so if you want to set a particular cap, you can do that. Let's say I want to show my ads 10 times, okay, every 7 days. So that is how you can set a particularly frequency cap. And then the pacing as well, how you want your ads to be delivered, standard or accelerated. Standard means that the ad will be shown evenly throughout the day. Accelerated means that the ad can be shown very aggressively. Let's say you have certain events which you're planning to, you're advertising for. So you can run your ads aggressively before the event date. Then you have the placement. So where all the X ads will show up. So by default, it will show on the homepage timelines of the users, then profiles of people, okay, search results of users when they're searching for some information on X and any replies they give on to our post, then we can reach out to those users as well. Demographics you can define over here. So let's say we're targeting all male and female. Okay, age range which we can set. So let's say which is between like the 18 to 54. We can also leave the language option as open. Any type of languages which people speak can be targeted here. Location you can specify. So here you can go ahead and specify the location in this manner. So like this, you can add your locations, devices as well. We can select specifically operating systems which you want to target over here. So let's say we want to do iOS and Android, all the operating systems of these two. And then comes the audiences. These are the custom audiences if you may have. If you have any custom audiences coming from your website activity, from a list of users data which you have. So all that you can attach over here as well. So any app activities which people do when they when they are using your app. So if you have collected any audiences who have been interacting with your business, you can attach that over here if you specifically want to target them. The other option is targeting features where you can target the audience which comes on Twitter or X. So now here you can do keyword level targeting. So let's say my product is basically an SEO course which I want to sell, and I want to do brand awareness for this course. So what we can do is we can search for users, what they've searched for on Twitter or X related to SEO. So there is enough audience you can see. Okay, we've searched for SEO or search engine optimization. So like this, you can add Follower lookalikes also you can attach if you want to, okay, which is basically we're trying to target those users who are similar to certain celebrities' followers. So let's say, so in your domain, in your business, in your industry, if there are some influencers, you can tag them here and their followers. We are going to look for audiences similar to their followers. So let's say, for example, in case of SEO, in my case, digital marketing, there are people like there is Neil Patel. Okay, so he has specifically 184.6K followers. Okay, so we can certainly add him. So what it basically means is his followers, okay, audiences who will be similar to his followers is what we are going to target. Then you can also do interest-based targeting, which is basically based on people's interest, okay, and the activities which they do on Twitter or X. Twitter has gone ahead and divided that into various categories, and now you can search for the category related to your business. So let's say that's related to technology, okay, or you can even search over here. So let's say you search for SEO in this manner, so you can attach that as well. Movies and TV shows, if there is anything relevant to your business, anything of that sort, you can do that as well. And then conversation topics. Conversation topics are basically topics of conversation related to your business. If that has happened on X, then those can also be targeted. People involved in those conversations can be targeted and ads can be shown to them. So let's say it's related to the topic is SEO or search engine optimization. So here we have. So this is going to be a very effective audience targeting, which we are able to do here in targeting features. Once you do this, then you can also, if you want to, you can allow to switch on optimized targeting, which will basically allow X to reach people beyond your target audience when there's potential to achieve better performance. So you can do this as well. And then we are coming to the ad creation part. So this is where we're going to create the ad. We can select the category again. Let's say the category over here, we're choosing software. Destination has to be website. People will reach our website. Okay. And this is where you can write your ad copy. In this manner. And then you can decide whether you want to add a single image or a video or multiple images and videos as per your requirement. You can select that and then add that media. So let's add the media over here. So you can see this is how the ad is getting created. Okay, so this has been created and now you can give a headline and give the website URL. So we are going to take this URL and give it out. So now the whole ad is created. As you can see, this is a reach campaign, basically a brand awareness campaign for this particular course, which we want to do. And we can move forward finally to review the campaign details. If you want to make any changes to it, you can do that here. Okay. Otherwise, you can launch the campaign. This is how we're going to build out a brand awareness campaign, guys, in the Twitter X ads account to do branding for our business, for our products and services. Thank you so much, guys, for listening to this, and I will see you in the next video.